Programming is like building with Lego blocks. Variables and data types are the basic building blocks in Python. They help us store and organize information. Understanding them is essential for writing any Python program. Think of variables as containers holding different types of data, like numbers, words, or true, false values. A variable is like a box with a label. Imagine you have a box and you write a label on it. This label helps you identify what's inside the box without opening it. You put something in the box and the label helps you find it later. Similarly, in programming, a variable holds data, and its name is the label that helps you access this data. In Python, you don't need to declare a variable type explicitly. This means you can store different types of data in variables without specifying their type beforehand. Let's say you want to store the number 5 in a variable named my_number. You simply write my_number equals 5. Python automatically understands that my_number holds an integer value of 5. This dynamic typing makes Python very flexible and easy to use. Now, Python automatically knows that my_number holds an integer value of 5. You can also change the value of my_number to something else, like a string or a float, without any issues. Constants are like special variables whose values never change. They are useful for storing values that remain the same throughout your program, like the value of pi. Constants help make your code more readable and maintainable. By using constants, you can avoid hard coding values and make your code easier to understand and modify. In summary, variables and constants are fundamental concepts in Python that help you manage and organize your data efficiently. Python has several built-in data types that are essential for programming. Understanding these data types is crucial for writing efficient and effective code. Here are a few common ones that you will encounter frequently in your coding journey. Integers. These are whole numbers which can be either positive or negative. Examples include 10, 25, or -5. Integers are used in various calculations and iterations. Floats. These are numbers that have decimal points. Examples include 3.14, -2.5, or 0.0. Floats are particularly useful in scientific computations and precise measurements. Strings. These are sequences of characters enclosed in quotes. Examples include "Hello World" or Python. Strings are used for storing and manipulating text. Booleans. These represent truth values and can be either true or false. Booleans are often used in conditional statements to control the flow of a program. For example, you can use a Boolean to check if a condition is met and execute code accordingly. Understanding these basic data types is the first step towards mastering Python programming. Each type serves a unique purpose and is used in different scenarios. Sometimes you might need to convert one data type to another. This process is essential when you want to perform operations that require a specific data type. This is called typecasting. Typecasting allows you to convert variables from one type to another, ensuring that your code runs smoothly and efficiently. Python provides built-in functions for this. These functions are straightforward and easy to use, making Python a versatile language for developers. For example, you can convert an integer to a string using the strs function. This is particularly useful when you need to concatenate numbers with strings. Similarly, you can convert a string to an integer using the int function, which is helpful when performing mathematical operations. Python also allows you to convert data types like floats to integers using the float and inti functions respectively. Now, the variable text will contain the string 10. This flexibility is one of the reasons Python is so popular among developers. Python's flexibility with variables and data types makes it easy to work with different kinds of information in your programs. Whether you're handling numbers, strings, or more complex data types, Python's typecasting functions simplify the process.